Children, today we will see the last week's sum up, then section 1 and 2 in prose Idga, then we'll see the grammar part, parts of speech. Good morning, children. It's me, Deepa from English department. Last class, we have seen prose 1, section 1, Idga. Just we will see the sum up of the first section. Then we will move on to the section 2 and section 3. So last class, we have seen that what has happened to Amit. Okay, Amit, how much years old? He is 4 years old, and his grandmother, Amina, and his friends, Nuri, Sami, and Mahmood. So what those people are doing? So here what has happened? So it was the beautiful morning of Eid. That is Eidgah. It is a festival celebrated by Muslims. And all the people in the village as well as the small boys were very happy during that festival. So all the boys, they were running here and there, and they are getting the sweets in the sweet shops, and they were moving one place to another place without any reason. So all the boys, they are counting their money, but this person, the main character in this lesson, who is that? Hamid. He is only 4 years old. How much amount he is having? He is having 3 paise. And also he is a poor boy, and also what he's doing, he wants to get something in the shop, but he's not having enough money. And also he doesn't have father as well as mother, so he is living with his grandmother. So, and also the grandmother, she is very good to look after Hamid. And also what she told about Hamid's parents, she told that Hamid's father went to abroad to earn money, and also his mother, she went to collect lovely gifts from Allah. This was the story told by Granny to Hamid. So this was the first section. Just this was a sum up of the first section. So I hope you understood again. Just we'll move on to section 2 and 3. Children, we will see the story of second section. Here, the roads were full of people. They were going here and there. And the people are going by the vehicle. That is, the vehicle is drawn by the horse. And also, the children also, they feel very happy and they were excited. And the whole town was very bright because of the festival, Eidgah. And also if the children, if they are seeing anything, just they stopped and watched with excitement. Whatever they are seeing, just they were feeling very happy to see all those different kinds. For example, if we are seeing in Mariamman festival and all, what we will be doing, just the small kids, what the children will be doing, just they'll be seeing the toys and shops. At a fixed position, they'll be standing at a place and they'll be watching, and they'll be pestering their parents to get all those things. Likewise, in this village, the boys were very happy and they were just standing at a place and looking all those things with excitement. And also now what has happened? Just the worshippers, and they were coming and they were standing in a line in order to pray God. After the prayer was over, just they were embracing each other. Just they were hugging each other. So Muslim, it is a tradition of Muslim. What they'll be doing, just they'll be that is embracing each other. They'll be hugging each other. So, and also many toy shops also there. So, Hamid's friends. Who are all the Hamid's friends? Mahmood, Mohsin, Nuri, and Sami. So, what these people are doing, just they are getting the money from the parents and they are getting the toys. What type of toys they were getting? Like horse type toy, and elephants that is, toys will be there, more toys will be there, just those people are getting all those things. And also there was merry-go-round. Merry-go-round, you know, no, in Tamil what we used to say, ratinam, சுத்தி விட்டா போற மாதிரி, that is merry-go-round. So there was merry-go-round with wooden elephant, horses and camels. So what has happened? So the Hamid's friends, Mahmoud, Mohsin, Noori, mounted the horses and they were going in the merry-go-round. But Hamid, he couldn't go anywhere because he is having only 3 paise. And also what this Hamid, being a little boy, what he is doing, just he is watching from a distance. Because of having little money, he couldn't go with other boys. And also what the other people are going, just they were going to the sweet shops and they were going to the toy shops and they were getting many toys. His friends are getting many toys. So what this Mahmood is doing means he get a toy, that is a policeman toy. So that policeman toy, how it is means it is in a khaki uniform. Okay, and that police is wearing a red turban and he is having gun on his shoulders. So this is the toy which Mahmood bought. And what Mohsin is getting, he is getting a water carrier. Next, here, water carrier toy, water gun toy. Next, Noori, he is getting the lawyer toy. So these toys cost too much. But this poor boy Hamid is having only 3 paise. So he doesn't want to get such expensive toys. What is the meaning for expensive? Expensive is nothing but costly. Make note of it. Expensive is costly. And also what he is thinking, if any toys falls down, what it will happen? Just it will be smashed to bits. It will be broken. Or if the water falls on these toys, the color would fade away. So just Hamid, at least he wants to hold those toys in for him. But so he couldn't get all those things. So just he want to, at least he want to have it in his hands. Then after that, after getting all these toys, the boys are going near the sweets shop and they are getting, that is candy, jamuns and halwa. But only from a distance, Hamid is watching all those things, but he didn't get anything. Why he couldn't get anything? Because he is having only 3 paise. So this is the story of section 2. Children, next we will see the summary of section 3. Okay, so far we have seen what the boys they got. That is, they went to sweet shop and they went to just toy shop and they got all those things. Hamid, he didn't get anything because he doesn't have enough money. So next to the sweet shops, what are the shops available means hardware shops. Hardware shops means tools and machinery likewise. Okay, that is hardware shops, and jewelry shops are also there. But boys are not interested to get anything in those shops. But here Hamid, he is a clever child. So what he is thinking, he wants to get a pair of tongs. Tongs means an instrument used to pick and hold the things. That is called tongs. In Tamil, we used to say as idiki. Okay, so he wants to get a pair of tongs to his grandmother. Why he wants to get pair of tongs? Listen, whenever she cooks chapatis, okay, iron pan burnt her hands. So he wants to buy a pair of tongs for her grandmother Amina. And also he is going near the hardware shop and he is asking to the shopkeeper. Okay, we will be, if we want anything, what we will be doing, just we will be going to the shopkeeper and we will ask, what is the amount of that thing? Likewise, here, what this Hamid is doing, he is going near to the shop. He is going near the hardware shop and he is asking, what is the amount of pair of tongs? And the shopkeeper, what he said, the cost is 6 paise. What the answer given by shopkeeper? 6 paise. 6 paise, the cost is. What is the cost? That is 6 paise for that pair of tongs. So again, Hamid asked to say the correct price. Okay, again he is asking because the shopkeeper told that is 6 paise. So again he is asking, say the correct price of the tongs. So again he said it will be 5 paise. If you give 5 paise, I'll be giving. Like that shopkeeper is telling to Hamid. So then, because he is a poor boy, no. So being a poor boy, he asked for 3 paise. So this boy, why he is asking for 3 paise? Because he is having only 3 paise with him. And also the third time he is getting afraid. And why he is getting afraid? Because the shopkeeper would shout at him. Because again and again he is asking the price. But he doesn't have enough money to get that. So, but shopkeeper called Hamid and gave the pair of tongues for 3 paise. Okay, he is very happy. Because why he is getting pair of tongue? In order to present to his grandmother, Amina. Now he is very happy and he is carrying that pair of tongs on his shoulders. So all of his friends are laughing at him. Why you are doing like this? Are you crazy? Likewise, the friends of Hamid are asking to him. But what he is feeling is, I am not crazy, just I want to present this pair of tongues to my grandmother. Likewise, this Hamid is saying to his friends, and also he is explaining, if we put, that is, if we put the toys on the floor, soon it will break off. So whatever we are doing with the toys, it will go off, the color will fade away, but this pair of tongs will not be broken. Likewise, this Hamid is giving explanation to his friends. And also Hamid said that pair of tongs are like a tiger among toys. He is feeling. So his thing is a great thing. Comparing to other toys, this tongue is a better one. Likewise, Hamid is feeling. And also one of his friends, Sami, said that what he wants to exchange his small tambourine. Tambourine is nothing but musical instrument. Tambourine is nothing but musical instrument. It is a drum. That is, we used to play music on that, no? That is tambourine. Okay. So, that Sami, one of his friends, he wants to exchange his musical instrument with pair of tongs. So, but Hamid is not ready to exchange his pair of tongs with that musical instruments. So, after the completion of the festival, all are returning to their home. So, Hamid is also going home. As soon as Granny Amina heard the voice of Hamid, she ran out of the house and kissed Hamid. And also she asked, where did you get the tongs and how much you spent for the tongs? Hamid told that he got the pair of tongs for 3 paise. And also grandmother is asking, why you got tongs instead of getting some other better thing for you? But Hamid said in a miserable tone. Miserable means sad. Okay, miserable means sad. That what he is saying. See the reply of Hamid, you burn your fingers on the iron pan. So I bought pair of tongs for you. So this is a reply given by Hamid to his grandmother. So Granny started crying and she feels it is a precious gift given by Hamid, and she compares the pair of tongs with that of silver. So what is the meaning for precious? Precious is nothing but of great value. So precious means of great value. So even though Hamid is a small child, how he is spending the amount usefully. See, so children, we also should be like that. We should help our parents. We should not spend the money unnecessarily. Okay, that's all about the first Pros Eidgah. Hope you have understood this lesson clearly. Thank you, children. Students, let us see the activity. Let's move on to the first question. With whom Hamid is living? Okay. Second question, synonym of the word expensive. You have to write the meaning for the word expensive. Third question, who bought water carrier? You have to mention. That is, who bought water carrier? Next one, what is the original cost of pair of tongues? That is, pair of tongues bought by Hamid. So what is the original cost, original amount? Next, mention the name of sweets. Okay, we have seen the sweet shops now. In that, many sweets will be there. So just you have to mention 2 types of sweets. Next question, how much Hamid spent to buy pair of tongs? Actually, he will be having some amount. So with that amount, he will be getting the tongs. So you have to mention the amount. Next question, where did Hamid get tongs? Okay, where? So from where? From which shop he got that? Next one, who is a clever boy? You have to mention who is a clever boy. Next one, synonym of the word precious. So synonym of the word precious. Next question, who will celebrate the festival? Eidgah. So I have to mention. So below that itself, I have given the choose the best answer. So you have to read all these things and you have to mention the answer clearly. Students, I hope you have understood the lesson clearly. Thank you.